Hello there guys, in this video I will show you how to resize videos for TikTok. First guys, you need to go on the Play Store and download the application, which you go on the search box and type for InShot. InShot is editing app which gives you many sites where are also included resizing videos for your TikTok. Firstly, if you don't have downloaded this application, go download it. In this case, I'm gonna update just this application. Now I need to go and open it, and then when I open the application, just go next, go OK. Right after that, you need to go on the video side, and then you need to find the video. We'll go with, for example, with this video. Go on the tick on your right side, and here guys, if you go on canvas, you have a lot of options for selecting a side and resizing the video. As you can see, there are applications that are directly connected for doing it to yourself. As you can see, we go with no frame and it will be automatically on your side, but you need to go and choose for, as you can see here, you have an option on the third section for TikTok. Here, as you can see, with that we have selected the TikTok side, and also in that side you have the TikTok emoji which is included, and also you can zoom in and get it a better size section on your resizing video. Then you should just go and click on the tick on your right side, and after that go save again. Right now guys, go on your TikTok, then go on your plus icon, choose the video that you have converted or resized. As you can see right there, the video I think is right here. Yeah, I need to go next. Again, you need to wait for the loading. Also, the loading has been speeding up, and you need to wait 3 seconds. 1, 2, 3, and it's done. Now guys, as you can see, the video has been resized and you can go and add to your feed. Thanks guys for watching. Don't forget to hit that like and share the video. See you soon guys.